Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Edo State Police say dem no want make any protest take place today, wey be Monday 29, 2021. This protest na Kola Edokpayi and Emmanuel Agbogun na be the person wey organize this protest because of the way price of things dey go up for Edo State, most especially bag of cement wey don go up to 4,000 naira. But the police say they no want any protest. Make I leave you, make you hear from Emmanuel Agbogun and the people wey ready to do this protest. Enjoy the video.
The price of water cannot continue to skyrocket. In the days of our fathers, people enjoyed life, they enjoyed Nigeria. So why are you making that miserable for us? So on that ground, we gave 48 hours ultimatum. After the expiration of that 48 hours ultimatum, we all met and we decided what to do next. And the decision of that meeting is what birthed today's protest. And we now came together as civil society, as student groups, as youth groups, to say we must ventilate our anger to the government and to all the capitalists that have been going about increasing prices of essential commodities astronomically without consulting the citizenry. So it is for this cause we are all gathered here. And what are the things we are talking about? Look at, for example, if you go to the north, the price of tomatoes, a basket of tomatoes is no more than 5,000 naira. But if you come here, it's about 32,000, 12,000. During UTI period, they skyrocket it, as if the UTI period bring more money to our pockets. Look at the price of pure water. They just woke up on money and increase from 5 naira to 10 naira. From 10 naira is now 20 naira. Look at the price of fuel. Next month, Nigerians, next month, by April, they are going to take the price of fuel to 230 naira for fuel. By next month, fuel will be 230 naira. How long are we going to continue like this? For how long? There is no job, no security, no health care, no food. People are frustrated. People are dying. And then the same police that are supposed to be aiding and abetting us, they are using the same police to attack us, to victimize us, to restrict us. They are making the police becoming our enemy. Meanwhile, the police are our friends. Yes, they are doing their job, but this is not to do your job.
But they have hierarchy and their boss asked them to do something.
Their boss is not sensitive to the plight of Nigerians. If their boss were to be sensitive, their boss should know that himself staying under a condition, giving instructions to men that are not eating. Some of these policemen have not eaten today. They have not eaten. Look at their uniform. It's not wearing iron.
And I heard that if people gave ultimatum to the federal government and the state
yes, not only the federal government, including the state government. We are calling on Governor Godwin Obaseki. He should set up we are not asking for too much. Like Former Peace stated, we did not say you should stop corruption. Corruption is already part of you. Corruption is already a Nigerian that is living in Nigeria. So we are not saying end corruption. That one is impossible mission. What we are saying is set up a task force across the 192 wards. This task force empower them, give them ID card, give them reflective jacket, let them go around maintaining price and regulating the prices of goods and services. That is what we are asking. And now we know they will not do it. That is why we are telling them. If after 14 days they refuse to do anything, I reserve my comments. They will be responsible for the action.
We are reaching you live from Benin City. I'm Comedic.
As I move around, I know they have once I leave my house for the church of here or every other year. I don't know best in my mind. If you start with that, they will say, what the very I know it's there. I can't tell the place. I also mentioned when you are receiving the governance and so many things. They don't play the best. Or maybe people are not doing it. And when they are not for
If you are still watching us, we are live from Benin, Edo State, at the Roundabout National Museum. We are gathering here today for the protest. The protest from slavery of our various leaders. Slavery to our freedom and our fundamental human rights. Slavery in habitualities. Our leaders are lazy. They are too lazy. And they are too blind. Even if they see the truth, their eyes are blind for not knowing the truth. So today, we are gathering here today to ensure, to pass out a strong message that we are tired of their madness. And this nonsense must stop. Thank you for watching. We'll get back to you.
Yes, now. They were running. Okay, look at the statistics now. This on no government. They keep police. They keep police. They keep everybody, and
they say that we shouldn't protest. The commissioner of police of those they say that we shouldn't exercise our fundamental right to protest. We want you want to know. Let it be on record that the CP Phyllis Ogbodu said that we shouldn't protest. It's not. He have taken laws into his hand. It's not. He have taken Nigeria. We are in democracy. He's bringing us to a state that we are in a military regime, when the forces will determine what will happen in our state. Democracy gives us liberty to protest, to air our view peacefully, and he have taken upon himself to become Lord, to give us order in my own state. We want your world to know. If anything happen today in this protest, we know those that we will hold accountable. Police will be held accountable for it.
Yes.
That's what we are saying. They will hold accountable.
Yes.
We will write to the UN. We will write to the AU. We will write to all bodies, both internationally and locally, to tell them what happened today in Edo State. We are buying cement for 4,000 naira. We are buying some for 180. Our phone is almost going to Nigerian government should be ashamed of themselves. That for almost 50 years we have been refining crude product. We don't have one single refinery that is working. You will take does it make any sense? You will take your crude product, import it, take it to foreign land, then refine it and bring it and say okay, we will not sell for international market price. It's no longer foreign. It's just like a woman who doesn't know how to cook. She will buy rice, stew, beans, beef, take it to UK. They will prepare stew and bring it for her to come and eat. They will not charge her with pounds because the food will be prepared in London, in abroad. So they should be ashamed of themselves. So if we don't talk now, it means that sooner or later, common man will never have a house again in Nigeria.
No, that is where it's going now.
A poor man will never own a house. They have enslaved us politically. They want to also enslave us economically. And we say Kabujo regimenta to that, and we will never allow that to happen.
You've heard for the horse's mouth. We are tired of the insensitive of the Nigerian government. We are tired for the enslavement by our leaders. They say we have freedom. We don't have freedom. We're enslaved. The commissioner of police said the protest will not hold, and we are telling them the protest must hold. If anything happens to us, the Nigeria police should be held responsible. It should be, the commissioner of police in those states should be held responsible because he has assured us that our safety and security is not guaranteed. We are enslaved in our own country, in our own land. We don't have say. We cannot agitate for our right. Our right is being limited. Bag of cement is 4,000 naira. Pure water is 20 naira. We can't afford that. Sand is 30,000 naira per trip. Rice have gone haywire, and these are homegrown materials for Nigerians. Like our own resources, we cannot afford them. Nigeria has what it takes, all the mechanisms to be the best in the world. But today, because of our virtuous leaders who have killed the equity of this state, this nation, so we are decided to say today enough is enough, whether they like it or not. Once again, I'm Comrade Eko David. I'm still the president of Nigeria Student Youth Edo State Chapter. I'm watching us all over the world. I'm watching from Edo State, live at Edo State at the National Museum, the roundabout. Edo Nimose. What is right is right, what is wrong is wrong. We are tired of the hopelessness of our leaders who has no meaningful impact to Nigerians. Today we are saying no.
As we normally do it. As we normally do it, we are still going to do it. And we are moving now. And follow the instructions.
Go and call Semu.
Yeah, we'll talk about because of the I am begging you, this protest is a peaceful protest. It's not a violent protest. We want to make the whole world know. We want to make the whole world know that what is going on in Nigeria is
Hey, come over there.
humanity.
No, Pak, we're not coming down.
I believe that even the police, the DSS, they are aware about what is going on in Nigeria. Without fear or favor, we are going to march straight, and our protest will be whole, and the whole world will know about it. Please, comrades, I want us to come together so that we take our move. Please, we all will be in the back of the banner. Only the traffic, the people that is controlling the traffic are allowed to be on the front.
Which one?
Only the people that is controlling the traffic are allowed to be at the front. Please, comrades, I want us to maintain decorum so that we can be able to set a better goal for Nigeria. Thank you.
Where's the banner? We get our use that money. Again,
Amada! Remember my country water run away me eyes water run away me eyes. When I remember my country water run away me eyes. Water run away me eyes. When I remember the state water run away me eyes. Today, CP we must move 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 today. Amada! Who no want freedom? Who no want freedom? No go that better. Who no want freedom? Who no want freedom? No go that better. Who no want freedom? Freedom no go that better. Who no want freedom? Who no want freedom? No go that better. Who no want peace? No go that better. Who no want freedom? Who no want freedom? No go that better. Obi kerere muke, CP. Today, now our state be this. We must move. CP, kerere muke. Enough is enough for pressure. Kerere muke. Amada! Yes, no way to the banner come.
Challenge you.
Another challenge, another challenge, another challenge. This one a protest challenge, another challenge, another challenge, another challenge. This one a protest challenge.
What's that guy protesting for?
That one's another person.
Is it because? I don't know.
Don't worry, we will maintain the issue. When police don't respect themselves, they will lock gate and will not pass.
Put up on social media. But I'm messed up for help. Not my way for your We want to make this. They bring money. He go bring that 5K. I will go. I don't tell you for phone. I don't go to help you. I go for you. We are in democracy.
You know they bite them. They are not suffering from it.
Why the AC? I am saying it now. Nobody should provoke us. Don't provoke us. Don't provoke us. Nigeria belongs to everybody, not for one person.
My viewers out there, I am no other person than yours, Noble Right activist, talking to you this moment. We are about to kickstart the protest. There have been a whole lot of hitches here, doing everything humanly possible to ensure that we are not protesting. So you can see the policemen, they are all here, they are saying no protest. But we want to commend the Commissioner of Police for bringing them here, so that Nigerians can see what is really happening. So you can see. Coming, I greet you. Well done. We almost take off now, so. Yes, this guy.
It's too far. I'm not going to talk.
Now, I see my car and go there.
No, you don't reach now. Because I call this time. I'm going to talk. I know they move.
Obidi.
Now, there's no way now, no law where police want to try to protest.
Yeah, boss, we are very safe. I can assure you, HRH, we are safe. Greetings, respect. I know you are watching me from London. We are keeping the struggle alive. God bless DSS. They are just observing, but the police is claiming wiser than that.
Today, we are telling him to his face, we are not scared of him. That enough is enough. I will take the proof by the horn. If you don't give us the if they think because they have the security agency, they will kill them. Now we are Nigerians. We have the right to protest. There has no possible fundamental human rights. No matter what's going to happen today, we will matter this gate. They don't kill us. Let them kill us today. Enough is enough. We can't continue to make a country where we are being enslaved. That's what I have to say today. And today, we must protest. Today, we must protest. Right? Security agency like it or not, if they want to kill us, we are able to kill us. If today, I want to tell you the word that today, whatever happens to us, the safety of the state to be able to Thank you.
If you guys want to terminate the protest here,
I'm saying all exercises. I'm saying that your parents, that anything that happens here today,
we cannot become second-class citizens in our country. If anything happens, let your one be aware that CP is after our life. You want to be aware. CP of Edo State is after our life. It's after our life. You want to be aware. So we'll pass them. Maybe the people will pass them. Who are going to pass them? No be our body police for call the cat power. No be our body. We are peaceful. We are peaceful. Protest is what he says. Protest is what he says. We are in democracy. Democracy that our leaders fought for. Democracy that was begotten with the blood of Benito Emi. Democracy that we fought at God. to the blood of Fela Anikulapo Kuti.
Yes.
Democracy that was fought and gotten to the blood of Kaisararua. Yes. Democracy that was fought and gotten to the blood of Rasa Kuti. Yes. Democracy that was fought and gone to the blood of innocent Nigerian youth that were killed in Abu Zaria. Yes. That were killed in Lagos State University. That were killed in Unipen. Yes. That were killed in Uniport. Yes. We are in democracy now. Yes. One person will sit there in the comfort of his office.
No.
Using our 10 staff people to pay him at the end of the month. And he will give another. That we should never protest. Oh. Everybody shout, hey, yeah! Hey, yeah! If CP not say, he not go fee be CP for a dog state, they should transfer it to another state. We are in democracy. Nobody can take our right from us. Yes. Protest is a fundamental right. Yes. It's not a privilege. You can see the way they are mobilizing police. But come there when Ababa is rapping. You will not see one single police force. Is kidnapping our brother and sister. You will not see any security operation. But when we want to protest, you will see thousands of hilo bands. You will see hundreds of hilo bands. We are in Nigeria. Our land belongs to us. Yes. We belong to this country. Yes. And we never be a coward in our own country. Yes. And we never be a coward in our own country. Yes. I don't want that country to come home. Yes. I belong to Nigeria. Yes. I am in Nigeria. Yes. I am in Nigeria by birth. I am in Nigeria by birth. Not for a passport document. I was born and brought up here. I never choose this country, but God sent me to this country. Yes. Is people allowed to protest? Yawa go dey. Yawa go dey. Is people allowed to protest? Yawa go dey.
Is people no leave us? Yawa go dey. Is people no leave us? Yawa go dey. Yawa go dey. Yawa go dey. Is people no leave us? Yawa go dey. Is police no leave us? Yawa go dey. When I remember CP, water run away. Okay, remember police, water run away. Water run away. When I remember CP, water run away. Water run away. Today. CP, we must announce today. CP, we must announce today. Police, we must announce today. Police, we must announce today.
No, keep on down.
Police, we must move today.
Yes, a wonderful good afternoon to you all my conscious Edo people. You see, it is only in Nigeria where it is only when you carry gun, arms, that government will listen to you. We are coming out peacefully to protest. You can see all these men and women here. These are parents of children like us who are also suffering. To their various homes, they are also suffering. Most of them have not been able to build houses. But because they are all clowns, they have come to lock the gates, to stop comrades from entering, to stop us from going out. The question to ask is, are these people not also suffering? Look at them. Are they not also suffering? Look at them. Are they not also suffering? I asked questions today, Buhari, President Muhammad Buhari. Why is it that bandits are killing? You cannot deploy this number of police to go and obstruct their attack on innocent Nigerians. We want to go out peacefully to protest and submit our communique to the governor of Edo State. You are deploying over 500 policemen to King Square to ensure that we don't move. The question is why? The question is why? All of you that are rich in this country, people don't want poor people to survive. Is that good? Come with me. Oga, Mona like to make the enter now. Oga, I beg, make this man enter, I beg, and do.
You dey lock, you know the best mate. You dey lock door, like you know the business.
Oga, make this guy enter inside now, our leader. Oga, I beg, make he enter inside. We need to protest again, make he enter inside. I beg. I beg, who will meet for you? Who dey in charge? Make this man enter inside now. Oga, Inspector, Unduku, Mona open gate now. See our people make them fear enter now. Oga, even you be inspector, you dey suffer. You never be that so. Oga, you get some kind message that will send una come up body for inside. Oh, but because when we do answers, una no gree hear word. The one I go see again, some of una go wrong. Una no worry.
So you know the bad boy, you carry gun.
Oga, you know the buy cement. When Buhari dey my age, Buhari buy cement for 4,000. When Buhari dey my age, Buhari buy cement for 4,000. When Buhari dey my age, Buhari buy cement for 4,000. When Buhari dey my age, Buhari buy fuel for 175 naira. When Buhari dey my age, e get some kind message dem go send una still get children like us. Una no go. Make dem no go dey say una be the enemy. Una no go. Person no go dey for Abuja give una order wey bad. Why dem no dey give una order? Una go stop all the crime wey dey happen for Benin Uchi road. Una go dey there. They go come meet una, una come dey oppress us. We wan go peaceful people dey go tell our governor say make he intervene. Na bad thing we dey do. If you carry gun now, the bandit dey kill una one for road. Na that one na come dey call us make we go negotiate. Why? When they send this on message, we are with DSS director, we are with the commissioner of police, we are the NSC boss. They say we should go out and protest. How many of una wey dey here? Na no fit guide us more protest peacefully. You people are even deploying. Come with me. Can Nigeria see the deployment on ground? 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 All of una need to buy cement. Una need to buy fuel. Una need to buy cement. Una need to buy cement. Police, una no dey buy cement. Una no dey buy cement for market. Una no dey buy cement. Police, una no dey buy cement. Una no dey buy cement. Una no dey buy cement. Buhari buy cement for 4,000 when he dey my age. Una no worry. Oga, this one I dey do no good o. This one I dey do no good. Buhari buy cement for 4,000 when he dey my age. Buhari buy cement for 4,000 when he dey my age. When they send una bad message, una go comot body. Una go comot body. This one na bad message o.
We are living in the struggle.
Oga, but you dey buy cement o.
We are living in the struggle.
You dey buy cement o.
We are marching in the freedom. Freedom come. We are marching in the freedom. Freedom come.
Kolade.
We are living in the freedom.
Kolade.
Freedom come, by struggle. Freedom come.
We are marching in the freedom.
Freedom come, by struggle. Freedom come.
It's a little
In Africa.
in Africa. Aluta.
Oga, I bet me bring that mic from that man.
Could I leave me alone? I dey advise you now. If you don't want make we take this school here, we will spoil here. I beg na please you carry come here. One of the carry permission when they don't give you the license to carry, you know the man dey checking us. Police, if anything happen to any protester here, we are going to ensure that what you will see will be more than answers. We are here peacefully. If you are deploying ignorant Nigerians to come and intimidate us, if you are deploying ignorant Nigerians to come and intimidate us here, we are not going to take it. Nobody will not get gun. Nobody will not know how to shoot gun. Nobody will not know how to do crime. We are here peacefully. Respect yourself. All of us dey buy cement for 4,000. For police o, for vigilante o. People that say una no wan talk, one of the people wan talk, make they talk their own. We get our freedom to express ourselves. So in the name of peace, we don see all the tactical thing wey una deploy. Curtis no dey here. Armed robber no dey here. Una dey deploy tactical thing. Una no dey see how Uchi bypass more than deploy go there.
Oh, they not dey see am.
Una no dey see how Uchi road bypass more than deploy go there. I no dey fear anybody o. My name na Madara Bogu. I no dey fear anybody. If una no wan talk, make una allow one talk. If una say dem bring una come, make una come fight us. Because una no dey buy cement, una no dey buy water. The money they go give una today na only 2,000. If they do mobilize una with money, na only 2,000 naira. So we are begging you people, in the name of peace, everybody get junction where you run. If you hate your junction, nobody can worry you. I like the man waiting in junction to take lane. Nigeria big enough. This ring road park big enough. So I beg, not be today government don dey beat somebody like me. If they don't mobilize before me, they come beat me. No, we talk about it happen for my environment. If una say no wan beat me today, more than try am. They una go know say no be one person dey craze.
They don't know.
So ladies and gentlemen, if you are here to protest, please come this way. Come this way. And police, make una allow people wey wan come meet us, make dem meet us now. We no get right to freedom of movement. Una never go lock out with you, pursue the bandits. Where always on the who they pursue for the whole Western Nigeria. Now una go carry gun. Now una go chop government money. Now una they go give overhead cost. Una go see no fit repair una motor. Today when the protest now, look at the almost 10 healers. Almost 10 healers come out for you. Una no dey shame. Make una go that country, go sweaty police dey do there for development. Una dey here, they carry una with una small belle. Uniform they no fit sew for una. Cap they no fit give una. Guns they no fit buy bullet for una. As una dey here so na private people dey give una fuel for una van. Una go dey suffer the una do well. Anything happen to anybody here, oh God, nobody leave him head for us o. Nobody leave him head for us. Una do well.
Nobody live here for us. Nobody.
Police. The way the country is going, police, if you allow a commissioner of police or IG or AIG, it's where the country is going. You may not even have a house after you serve after 35 years. Most of us are here protesting today. We have our own house. If the way we are going, the way we all of us want to kill this country, the way all of us is contributing to the downfall of this country, just know that if you come to a time, most of you cannot even have your own house. If you are looking to have a house now, your children may not have their own house to stay. Nigeria belongs to everybody. Protest just for cement. We have thousands of police vans roving around Ring Road. If you come from there, it's even now. Just because say I'm about the road for Kema Road, you don't see anybody. That police voice will come low. That we are there now. That voice will come low. But if one do protest, police going to come out the poor corner. Like what Agbabu said. Police is still using their money. Look at their boots. In other country, I just came out from West African country now. Police they wear different boots. So we are red, so we are black. It's not supposed to be so. Government is supposed to provide a kit for our Nigerian police force, but yet they don't provide for them. Uniform they buy with their money. Everything they buy with their money. Vehicle that they buy for the people inside. People that are fighting for your own freedom. Those are the people, the commoners that you want to also truncate. You lock us. You restrict our movement. Freedom of movement is our right. Protest is our right. Let it be on record that CP of Edo said today restrict our movement. Our fundamental right to move. Saying that we shall meet in court. Saying that we shall meet in court. Saying that his job is at stake. So doing this barbaric act today, his job is at stake. Police, all of you are here, go and tell your CP. His job is at stake for committing this illegality today. His job is at stake. We are just in Benin now. He can able to contain us. Because of this, we will call for nationwide protest. Because of this, we will call for people in the north, in the south, in the east. We will announce a date, and that day, the number will be so massive that police can never contain us. It's a protest. It's our right. It's our fundamental right. Yes. And nobody can take it away from us. I said, this democracy was gotten with the blood of our forefathers. At that time, this CP Philip, that time was not among those who fight for democracy. So they say he died because of democracy. Fela died because of democracy. Let him know we are coming for him. Amanda! We tell police say we no want buy next of us that we commit crime. We commit crime.
They restrict me, sir. No, video them. Do that. Security.
We tell police say we no want buy 1-2% for 30,000. We commit crime. Now that is our. We are fighting for a better Nigeria. That's crime we commit. Police, as it stands just now, 2 minutes after 7 p.m. If you fly Benin Auchi Road, you will see small boys with AK-47 jumping out of the bush. See women with here now. We are clamoring for a better Nigeria. Police there go organize themselves. We don't set up una don't do this thing normally with ourselves, but the same people are sending you to come and shunt us. We go green. No. We must move. We must move. We must move. We are here today at King Square to ventilate our anger, to pour out all our anger, that to say no to no Nigeria. We say no to progress Nigeria. What will make us progress for this country now when our government get us attacked? Because if we not get the country, we not get government. Our government must wake up to their responsibility. Whether they like it or not, we will be here. We will continue to talk. We could talk and talk and talk and talk. Even when we know say they're not here, we will still talk. But what we are trying to say today, as we stand here at Ring Road, police, just do your job, but don't touch any of us. We are here in our numbers. We didn't come here because we are not patriotic. We didn't come here because if we have another country to go, I don't think I will be here. Nigeria is my country, it's my country. I will continue to ventilate, we will continue to articulate all our demands and it must be heard. Today, that demand must be heard. In this small number, in this very peaceful number, we want the police to cooperate with Nigerians. The Nigerians are here. Every one of us you see here today, we are representing a vast majority of Nigerian youth. And we are here, we are written it. We are here for peace. And we are here to make our demands peacefully, and that is why we are here. Amanda! Since my mama born me, I never see this kind country. I never see this kind city. Lele mama, lele mama, lele mama, lele mama. Since my mama born me, I never see this kind city. I never see this kind one. Lele mama, lele mama, lele mama. My tears you are talking. After the Father must to help you.
the father must help you. See my Igbo police. Check the road, get you go road. Only police you too, yeah. And the father must help us. I am a lele, 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 I am a lele. Police now are possibilities, I am making what are you? Now are possibilities, police now are possibilities, police now are possibilities. Police our right to this you. People our right to this you. People our right to this you. People our right to this you. I am the what are you? Madla. In Nigeria. I did protest, I'm under the banner. 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 Now what we do, una go take no. Now what we do, una go take no. Police we do, una bad, una go take no. Police we do, una wicked thing. Now back to the back of our this is not a time to go and intimidate us. Our mood on do. We want a better country now. We want a better Nigeria. Now struggle with you. We want a better Nigeria. Now crime will come in. Anyway, as it stands now, the police are joining us in this struggle. Because now whether we like it or not, police they're not the complete defeating barracks. A policeman will serve for 35 years, and the government all of a sudden they will forsake them. And that's why we want for our police. This is the coalition of civil society and all youth groups in the state saying no to 4,000 naira to spend. Definitely our community will be communicated to the appropriate quarter and an ultimatum will be given. And if that is not followed, what we will see here begin to. So this one every day police many fans protester. It is the reverse will be Everybody has police will answer to. Let us know what to do and protest the go come on. And the protester come to the back of the banner. Stop. They are moving. Every protester here to the back of the banner. They are moving.
Mama P. Nigeria with the demand for price control. We must remove it.
Police must get up. Police must protect. Police must protect. Police must get up. Police must do. Police must do forward. Adodo dey go, spiritual dey go, Kelly dey go, Nidira dey go, oh my God, River dey go, Chomoko dey go, Jaja dey go, Jaja dey go, we shall overcome. We shall overcome
by struggle, freedom come. Freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. People died in the struggle. Freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. Because died in the struggle. Freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. People died in the struggle. Freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. In the struggle, freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. In the struggle, freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. Freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. Freedom come, by struggle, freedom come. Nigerian people, on behalf of the living and the dead, on behalf of the raptors and the bobtails, on behalf of the Iblis and the hobos, on behalf of the plebeians, on behalf of the downtrodden, on behalf of the hoi polloi, we want to pass a vote of no confidence on the Edo State Commissioner of Police. But yes, I want to use this opportunity to pass a vote of no confidence on Edo State Commissioner of Police. What be that in name, sir? Philip Ogbodi. Philip Azuka yes, we want to pass a vote of no confidence on him for sequestrating us, for sending us to prison. That prison now with us, so that prison is a lawful detention. Nigeria is a democratic country. Look at the rule of law. We are not yes, we are not operating a country. No, we are not operating. The president and whoever is in the we are not operating on totalitarianism. We are not operating despotism. We are not operating fascism. But what the CP did today is a clear demonstration. It is a clear demonstration. It is a clear elucidation that democracy in Nigeria is under trial. Democracy in Nigeria is on trial. Yes. We are citizens of this great country. Yes. Section 14 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria submit without Pacha that the security and the welfare of the people shall be the primary purpose of government. Now today, our security agencies have failed in the search of their constitutional responsibility. Binia Uchi Road is a no-go area. That we overtaken by kidnappers, alleged Fulani herdsmen, criminals, unscrupulous elements have occupied that Igbo forest. Today, we now have Sambisa forest in Edo State. Yes. Instead of the commissioner of police to deploy its men, riot, in fact, very looking policemen, mobile police to come the forest is docile. It is when we are organizing peaceful protests. That is when the CP is active. The role of the police is to maintain law and order, not to intimidate us at all. Today we cannot buy a bag of cement
A bag of cement is sold in Edo State between 4,000 naira to 400 and 600 naira. Unfortunately, there is a conspiracy at the manufacturing companies to hack the price of fuel. Sorry, to hack the price of cement. Before the ending of this year, cement will be sold for 10,000 naira per bag. Is this the democracy we fought for? No! Nigeria, as they said, is operating a mixed economy. For me, Nigeria is operating a confused economic system. What is mixed economy? Mixed economy is a juxtaposition of both capitalism and socialism. What is capitalism? Capitalism is a political economic system where private individuals control the means of production, land, distribution, and exchange. What is socialism? Socialism is a political and economic system whereby the government controls the means of production, land, distribution, and exchange. In a socialist system, we have what is called price control. I want to tell you that we have the Price Control Act of 1977. The Price Control Act of 1977 has not been repealed. It is the responsibility of government to regulate the price of goods and commodities in Nigeria. Since we have that law here, that is to say the manufacturing companies have erred in law. They have erred they have erred moralistically. This opportunity to present an ethnic calabash with a parrot egg to the manufacturing company. This manufacturer, they said we have one of them as the richest men in Africa. Of what benefit is his wealth to the ranchers and public? How many people have benefited from this tremendous wealth of that man? They take delight in killing them. They come to kill us, to steal from us. Who is going to be that person that will give us life and give us life more abundant? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. There is sorrow, chest and blood. There is sorrow, chest and blood. The regular trade man, that is what. Everybody run, everybody scatter. Some people lose on die, some man die. Police they call, army they call, conflict everywhere. We want to cry to the whole world that we are no longer sure. We are not sure. We are not sure if we are still under the democratic system in Edo State. Democracy that was fought for by the blood of Kesarowuwa. Democracy that was gotten with the blood of Gani Fawehinmi. Democracy that was gotten by the blood of our soul, Atoni Emeagwaro. Democracy that was gotten with the blood of Fela Anikulapo-Akiti. They fight for democracy because as at now, democracy is only the government that guarantees freedom. Today, the CP of Edo State have murder sleep, and I pray may the ancestors of our land begin to chase him in the street. What is our demand? Very simple. Serious move from 2,200 to 4,000 in less than 3 months. I bought cement under 1 day. I bought in the morning 3,500. I bought around after 3,800. How can you increase one single product twice a day with the way things are going? If there's not taking the average eco-earners, the journalists, the police, the army can never wear the house again in Nigeria. What a pity! What a pity that they have enslaved us politically. Now they want to enslave us economically. I shall say no. Today we have been restricted. Our freedom of movement has been restricted by CP of Edo State. And because of that, like what Kola said, we are part of vote of no confidence. If you know you cannot use as a political tool in Edo State, try to vacate. Yes, we will use the social media, we will use the print media to cry to the whole world that to look at the animalistic behavior
what the police have done to us today. Like democracy, we say want to protest. You bring your men. Your men is supposed to protest us peacefully to our destination. We want to submit our communication to the government of Edo State and to Nigerian journalists, and we will go home. We will go now. And I want to use this video. We are giving the manufacturer company of cement the hike in petrol pump price, all hike in all product both home and manufacturing commodities. 14 days ultimatum to revoke all the increments. If they refuse, there will be nationwide protest in Nigeria. They cannot stop us. I know the strength. We know the strength of Nigerian police. They are suffering. They are not pretending here. They are with us. The DSS in their men, they are with us. The army, they are with us. 14 days, alas, we will call for a nationwide protest. At that time, according to Ambassador Samuel just said, who they kill snake on the road? The snake will want to kill that time. I told them.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. After I deposit my we speak.
At the greatest Bowser! Greatest Bobo! Articulate we give I want to say, I want to kneel, I want to sorrow. It's okay. Like we always say, the power of the people is greater than the people in power. The police and other security agencies that have come here to intimidate us today, to them, they might think they have succeeded. But an idea whose time has come cannot be destroyed. No matter the armed forces, no matter the police that are crying day and night over their little stipend they are receiving. That is not why we are here. We have already passed a vote of no confidence on the police. And that vote of no confidence stands. The CP of Edo State must go. He must go. He cannot come from Kogi State and come to Edo State to incarcerate us. He must go. All we are saying today is that the prices in Edo State is outrageous. Edo State is part of Nigeria. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. And as such, if the price of pure water is 5 naira in Katsina State, if the price of pure water is 5 naira in Borno State, what stops the price of pure water to be 5 naira in Edo State? These people, they come to our land, they use Fulani herdsmen to invade our land. They kill our men, they kill our women. They prevent us from harvesting crops. And then they go to their side, they import this thing to Edo State and add prices upon prices. Thereby inflicting pain, inflicting agony, inflicting rejection, inflicting all manner of frustration in the life of the youth. Look at the men today. When you go to the crime scene, all you see is youth, people of my generation. Those that are siphoning, that are masquerading our money, you will never see them in crime scene. If you go to the streets, you see our young girls prostituting because they are so. This is what we are protecting against. And the police, in their right sense of mind, they came here to tell us we cannot cross the gate. Aluta continua! Aluta continua! You want to also pass this message to the police. Do not think this is the only protest. After 10 days, where's the engagement? After 14 days, police better dey hear o. Na no many o. Make una go mobilize. But we are telling you now, we are not afraid of any of you. Go and mobilize. Go and mobilize. If after 14 days, if after 14 days, my people, are you aware that Dangote Cement in particular has converted our own state cement factory into his own factory? He is selling his cement for 4,000 naira in Edo. If you go to the north, the cement is 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira. Because our government are asleep. We are also telling the government of Edo State, Obaseki, you are the chief security officer of this state. If you don't set up task force, set up a price control mechanism that when we cut across the 192 wards,
in Edo State, let them go about implementing a uniform price. My brother, if after 14 days, if after 14 days, we will mobilize the bricklayers, we will mobilize the desks, we will mobilize the dogs, we will mobilize the cripples, we will mobilize dogs, we will mobilize Ashawo, we will mobilize them, and we will protest. And if care is not taken, after 14 days, 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 Amanda!
CP Edo State, we are not scared of you. We are not one bit scared of you. I do not want to believe that the governor of Edo State is aware that you detained us illegally. We are not threatened by your actions. And to all the policemen standing around us, threatening us, I don't want to call you cowards, but shame on you. Shame on you because I'm putting it to you that your 20 years salary cannot even build a house in Nigeria. We are citizens, but we are living like refugees. How can you tell me that cement that was sold for 2.2 is now 4.2 and nobody is saying anything? Fuel that was 165 was increased to over 200 naira, and the presidential order went out that it be reversed. Are you trying to tell me that the presidential order is nothing because it was not reversed? Pure water can no longer be affordable to the layman. Shame on you, Nigerian government agency. I am disappointed. I am standing on behalf of the living and the dead women out there. Say we are disappointed, but if after 14 days, police, yes, after 14 days, after 14 days, police, yes, army, get ready, NCDC, get ready, vigilante, we will mobilize. We will mobilize and we will stop these madness because we cannot continue to live as refugees. We are citizens. Protest is our right. Good life is our right. Healthcare is our right. Good road is our right. Security is our right. We will demand for it and we will get it. Yes, after 14 days.
Amanda! They lock us inside. It's democracy. Yeah, we are locked inside. The CP that is on our movement, not to move. Peaceful protesters. Let your one see it. Let your one see it. As you can see, we want to put the record very straight. Coming out here today to vibrate, to demand for what rightful belongs to us. That's bad we do. No. That crime we commit. No. We want a better Nigeria. That's bad we do. No. We want a better Nigeria. Does that make us a hoodlums? No. We want a way forward in Nigeria. Does that make us a criminal? No. We want a way forward in Nigeria. Does that make us a down? No. We want to put it on the record that our demand is on two phases. One, we want our own governor to listen very, very seriously on this now. One, we will not tolerate selling of cement for 4,000 naira in Edo State. No. Being that our state is the source of the raw material. For that reason, we are saying no to 4,001, 4,002, 4,003, anything below 25. No, anything below. In fact, from 2,000 naira, we want to see a strict response from our governor. This is what our governor can do for us. And we are asking the governor to set up a task force to ensure that everybody that is not implementing this should go down the drain. Nigeria is our country. We have no other country. This is Edo State. This is the heartbeat of the nation. We have no other country. When the earth collapse, the country will collapse. We are standing here on behalf of every well-meaning Nigerian youth to say we will never buy cement for 4,000. Whatever company you call yourself, whether Boao, whether Dangote, as far you are selling cement in this state, as far you are selling cement in this country, we will not buy cement for anything less than 2,000 naira. And that is our demand. Number two, we will not fold our hand and wash sand enter 30,000 to Fiakwa. And they forbid to build us. Police they forbid to build us. DSS they forbid to build us. And we want to build us with 4,000 naira cement and 30,000 naira for sand. Let me say the one that they sleep for streets. In fact, today we go even sleep for here today. We are calling on the Edo State government, set up a task force. Return our sand. You know they touch me.
We didn't get it 14 days.
Now, return our sand back to 12,000 naira. We want builders. Edo State youth want builders. Our sand must come back to how much? Our sand must come back to how much? The one may boost me past pure water na 20 naira. Where that one for the apple? We are now in today Nigeria where somebody can just wake up one day and increase price indiscriminately. Now, our demand is very simple. We are not here to fight police. We are not here to fight government. Government must wake up to their own responsibility. Government must wake up to their own responsibility. Set up a task force. Say no to 4,000 naira for cement. Say no to 30,000 naira for sand. Because if you ask market woman, doctor say, ask I want to build that so they go increase their products. We know where all of these things are coming from. Finally, the federal government. Federal government. Federal government. Any attempt or attempted attempt for you to add one shishi to fuel, we will resist it. Yes. We will resist it. Yes. And the struggle and the movement will start from Edo State. Yes. This is Koboko vibrating. Yes. Federal government, how you want it, whether subsidy or whatever you call it, our fuel must be 162 naira. Our fuel must be 162 naira. Our fuel must be 162 naira. After 14 days. After 14 days. After 14 days. After 14 days. Anybody selling for below 162 naira in the dozen will reject it. We 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 will reject it.
Of the greatest Nigerian youth. Articulate ever corrosive, ever dogged Nigerian youth. We don't have much to say because I believe all my comrades have said everything here. But we just want to let the government know that the journey to our liberation has started.
Yes.
And let me also tell you, I know most of you that are police. You people are also my friend, they are my brothers. If after 14 days they mobilize you to come and intimidate us, we will also intimidate you.
Yes.
The truth here is this. Some of you cannot be carrying rifle and continue putting us into poverty because you believe you want to collect pension, because you believe you want to live under that oath that has impoverished your life to make you turn to forceful stealers from people, all in a bid to collect money in pay. If you remove pay money for police, will police exist in this country? No. If you remove pay money for police, will police exist in this country? No. So we don't have much to say, as I told you earlier. Dangote, when he was my age and the age of all of us who have spoken here, he never bought fuel at 4,000 naira. Cement at 4,000 naira. Muhammad Buhari, that is our president, when he was our age, he never bought fuel for 170 naira, 180 naira. So what we are trying to let them know is that if they cannot reverse Nigeria to the way they met it before they took over power with military and now with democracy, we will chase them away.
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 Let me tell you,
we will chase them away.
We are more than enough to make Edo State ungovernable for those people that don't want us to ventilate our points. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Very important before we leave here. I want to let you all know, as we are living here, police, if you do not secure us and any of our comrades that are living here is attacked, we will not only ensure that we create problem for you, but we will make sure we call on our ancestors. We will make sure we carry a coffee to that your command
I'm sure the commissioner of police is meant to pay dearly for it. You should go and ask what other persons who have governed Edo State as commissioner of police and the mutual relationship they have with civil society. If he's coming here and think he will remain in the AC office and deploy himself and his zombies around here, the thing that we will see, Commissioner of Police be, Commissioner of Police be, Commissioner of Police be, Commissioner of Police be, Commissioner of Police be. Let me tell you, I want to stop talking. But please, Governor Godwin Nogegase Obaseki, there's nobody in Nigeria that does not know Dangote and these men producers are your friends. If at a time as a top people, we cannot benefit from our raw material, when Zamfara is selling gold 100% that they are mining, they are selling it. In Edo State here, Nigeria will collect our fuel. In Edo State here, Nigeria will collect our crude oil. Now they are finished extracting the crude oil now, they are now going to our limestone. I ask, what other mineral resources will be left behind for our children? The truth is said, our governor, you have all it takes to reverse this trend. You have all it takes to disband this trend. Yes, you are the one looking for loan for all these people from your business firm. Yes, also tell them to reverse this thing. You have their direct contact. So please, we have said the needful, and we believe the police have also heard. Secure everybody. If anybody wound for here, we go bring Alala come out. Secure everybody. Isoleto! Isoleto! I want to join my voice with other corrosive comrades that have deposited previously. I also want to say that we cannot undermine the importance of Nigeria police in our society. But being that as is made, we want to put it on record that if the rule of law collapse, those in authority, those in uniform, we find it difficult to walk freely in the street. We respect police. Police is our friends. We are partners in progress. Therefore, they must respect the rights of Nigerian citizens. Right of peaceful assembly, right of protest, it belongs to us all. Today, we are all here. Everybody cannot be a uniform man. We have a lot of professionals from diverse professions here. So you are putting on a uniform with whatever rank you have, does not make you superior more than anyone here. We are all important in our various occupations. We are tools and we have an egalitarian society. Yes, so if those in authority is afraid of protest, therefore they should be urged to do the right thing. They must do the needful. They must do the needful.
Within 14 days, they should reinforce. They should call. Reversal in all price hikes. Complete reversal. And set up task force to regulate these things. Now we are not saying that you should reduce it because you've proven that you cannot reduce it. Don't increase it. Don't increase it. 1K, let me go vernacular. 1K for and I know the 50 10-liter jerry can. You know people pull your generator. Pure water, house rents now 400K for Edo State. People are suffering. Is it that they don't know? Is it that you people are not aware? I know you are watching me right now. You are laughing. You are laughing in your air condition. But is it that you don't know that people are suffering? People are suffering. People are in hardship. How can cement be 4,200 naira? Now there's rumor that it will get to 10,000 naira. How can you be threatening us that the fuel will increase to over 200 naira? It does not make sense. We are tired of this country. The best thing that will happen to any youth is to get another country visa. Is it supposed to be so? No. We all wish to leave this place. We want to leave this place. We are tired of this place. We are not saying don't take money. Oh. Don't take money. Oh. We are not even saying it again. Oh. Corruption. We are not even dragging it again. But don't let us die in hunger. Don't let us die in hunger. Ah. Precious Oruche. Mama P, that's my name.
I beg, help us share this video. If you get anything to talk concerning this protest, go to comment section, make you put your own for there. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.